Hi, all of you. Now we are going to see the orthogonal matrix. This is the elementary matrix only. Syllabus we have. What is orthogonal matrix? Orthogonal matrix means A into A transpose is equal to I. If any matrix is A multiplied with this transpose, we get the identity matrix. Then we call it as a orthogonal matrix. Then how to first see the how to multiply the matrix. See A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. You remember this is the first multiplication how to 4 by 4 class. I will later we will see the 3 by 3 and all. 1, if you see, this is the basics only how to. First you have to learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How to multiply? Someone don't know how to multiply. For that only consider all the people. For that only I am explaining here. See A, B, C, D. Every time A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. If we see here, A into 1, A1, B into 5, B5, C into 9, 9, D into 13. Okay, in between plus. Okay, next A into 2, A2, B into 6, 6. Otherwise you write 4 times this and this you have to direct 2, 6, 10, 14. Okay, next this is 3, 7, 7, 11, 15. In between plus we know everyone. Next 4, 8, 12, 16. In between plus. Okay, next what is the row? This is the row E. E, F, G, H, E, F, G, H, E, F, G, H, E, F, G, H. Then how to write this same thing? 1, 5, 9, 13. Then 2, 6, 10, 14. 3, 7, 11, 15, 4, 8, 12, 16. In between plus. Okay. Bro, ఇక్కడ what is E1 means E into 1 multiplication, F into 5 multiplication, F into 5, E into 1, G into 9, H into 13. H into 13 like you have to multiply. Then I, J, then this row you have to multiply like this. If you go for 3 by 3, very simple you have to. That means AB, I will 2 by 2 I will write A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. How to write this? A1 plus B3, next A2 plus B4. Understood? Like that. CD, CD. You write 1, 3, 2, 4. This is our method. Okay. CD, CD you write like this. Then 1, 3, 2, 4. Multiplication only here. A2, B4, A1, B3. Like that you have to do. Okay. Then one example. Already we know that OM means, what is that? OM means, orthogonal matrix means A into A transpose is equal to I. Okay, some of the properties you have to see here. What are the properties of a orthogonal matrix? Okay, first one is A transpose. A is orthogonal matrix, then A transpose also orthogonal matrix. Then A is orthogonal matrix, A inverse also orthogonal matrix. A is orthogonal matrix, the determinant of A is plus or minus 1. A is orthogonal matrix, then A eigenvalues, values is equal to eigenvalues is equal to absolute 1. This is the properties. Third property, fourth property. A is orthogonal, A transpose is also orthogonal matrix, A inverse also orthogonal matrix. Determinant is plus or minus 1. A is orthogonal matrix, then eigenvalue is absolute 1. Okay, this is the properties of orthogonal matrix. Then one question you have to see. Show that A is equal to half into minus 1 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 1 minus 1 is orthogonal matrix. Then we have to very simple. What is there, bro? Tell me how to prove. Simple, bro. Simple. A into A transpose is equal to I. If you prove this, then it's over. Very simple, no? Do. Already we know A of into minus 1 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1. Okay, 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 1 minus 1 into of into transpose. How to write this transpose? This only, no? You have to write this thing as minus 1 1 1 1. Okay, next this one 1 minus 1 1 1. Next one this one 1 1 minus 1 1. Next this one 1 1 1 minus 1. Okay, already you know the multiplication, how to multiply. I already explained this. Okay, you have to see once again, you have to do your own, you will get very perfectly. 1 by 4 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4. Tell me what is this? Fast. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 into 1 plus 1. Okay, next one. Minus 1 into minus 1. No, minus 1 into 1 minus 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. 1 into 1 plus 1. This 1 into 1 plus 1. Okay, otherwise if you see what our method I am writing here, minus 1, this only, no? We have to write 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, what is our multiplication? This third means this is we have to multiply. That means 1 into 1 into 1, this into minus 1 into 1. Okay, same thing here also. Fourth matrix also minus 1 1 1 1. దీన్ని ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు? ఇది కదా మనం చేయాల్సింది. ఇంటూ 1 ఇంటూ 1 ఇంటూ 1 ఇంటూ minus 1. Okay, see. Okay, then if you one row, total row I am going to here explain. This row I am going to take as everything 1 plus 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1. I am taking as it is this. First one how to take this one into minus 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. This one, you know, first one I am taking, second one this we have to take. That means into 1 into minus 1 into 1 into 1. 3 ones. Next one 3. 1 into 1 into minus 1 into 1. Next one this into 1 into 1 into 1 into minus 1. Who are the less basics? They are how to remember this procedure. If you write this, what is this? 1 into minus 1 minus 1. How to write this? 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. How to write this? Plus 1 1 into 1 plus 1. Then if you write this 1, okay, plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Here 1 minus 1 1 minus 1. Like that we will get. Now final matrix how we will get? 1 by 4 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2. Here minus 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2. See, this 1 plus 2 minus 2. Nah, that only. Minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, minus 2 plus 2. Here minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then how to write 1 by 4 into this cancel, no? This is the 4, no? 1 plus 1 plus 4. That's 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 0 0 4 0. Otherwise I will go take next paper. Why take clumsiness? 1 by 4 into 4 0 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 0 4. Then if 4 is this 1 1 na, that means 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Then I. That means A into A transpose is equal to I. Therefore A is orthogonal matrix. This is the one thing you have to remember. One more question you have to see here. These two types of questions only you find the orthogonal matrix. Then A is equal to A, 2B, C, A, B, minus C, A, this is 0, 0. A minus B plus C. Okay, how to write? This is 0 2B C A B minus C A minus B plus C. This matrix. Okay. A is orthogonal. That is A na? A is orthogonal matrix. Then A comma B comma C. Values find. This is the question. Then how to find? Only one thing we know this is A is orthogonal matrix. If you see this, directly write A into A transpose is equal to I. This is the one thing. From this you have to get the answer. What is A? 0 2B C. Okay. 0 2B C. A B minus C. Next A minus B plus C. దీన్ని ఏం చేయాలి? మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి. ది ట్రాన్స్పోజ్. హౌ టు రైట్ ది ట్రాన్స్పోజ్? దిస్ ఇస్ ది 0. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ 0 2B C. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ A B minus C. నెక్స్ట్ A minus B plus C. Okay, both are multiplied. How to write multiply? My method I am going to explain. If you are know your method, you will do fast. Okay, 0 into 0. Everyone know how to write 0 into 0 plus 2B into 2B plus C into C. Same thing I am writing 0 2B C 0 2B C 0 2B C. Same matrix. A B minus C A B minus C A B minus C. Next A minus B plus C A minus B plus C A minus B plus C. Okay, then here how to write this only I am going to this into 0 into 2B into C. This is okay. Here this middle దానికి middle, లాస్ట్ దానికి లాస్ట్, ఫస్ట్ దానికి అన్ని లాస్ట్, మిడిల్ దానికి ఏంటిది ఇంటూ A ఇంటూ B ఇంటూ మైనస్ C, లాస్ట్ దానికి లాస్ట్ ఇంటూ A ఇంటూ మైనస్ B ఇంటూ C. ఓకే, every plus in between plus you know everything, every B. ఫస్ట్ దానికి ఫస్టే కదా, ఇంటూ 0 ఇంటూ 2B ఇంటూ C ఇంటూ A ఇంటూ 0 ఇంటూ 2B ఇంటూ C. నెక్స్ట్ this one middle దానికి మిడిల్ ఇంటూ A ఇంటూ B ఇంటూ మైనస్ C ఇంటూ A ఇంటూ B ఇంటూ మైనస్ C, then ఇంటూ A ఇంటూ మైనస్ B ఇంటూ C ఇంటూ A ఇంటూ మైనస్ B ఇంటూ C. This is the matrix. If you find this 0 plus 2B into 2B 4B square, this plus C square, same this 0 plus 2B square minus C square plus 2B square, this 0 what is minus 2B square, what is this plus c square. Okay, like that you have to multiply 0 plus 2b square minus c square, a square plus b square plus c square, a square minus b square minus c square, 0 minus 2b square plus c square, a square minus b square minus c square. Okay, here a into a transpose is called I means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. You have to write like this. Okay, here also same matrix you have to write. Then here a square plus b square plus c square, this is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Both this compare, this is equal to 1, this is equal to 1, this is equal to 1. You compare both the matrix. You write the equations. Okay, first one is what you have to write. First one what you have to write, a 4 b square plus c square is equal to 1. This is the equation where c 4b square plus c square is equal to 1. Okay, 4b square plus c square is equal to 1. Next a square b square plus c square is equal to 1. Next one, a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 1. This is the second equation. Then what is next equation? I need see, this you have to take a square b square minus c square is equal to, that means 2b square minus c square is equal to 0. This is the third equation. Okay, you have to solve this. From this third equation what you write, 2b square is equal to c square, b square is equal to c square by 2. This you have to put in this equation. Then what is there, 4 into what is b square, c square by 2 plus c square is equal to 1. This 1 2 2 2 2 4. Thus 2c square plus c square is equal to 1, 3c square is equal to 1, c is equal to c square is equal to 1 by 3, c is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3 we get. If you put this here, actually b square is equal to plus or minus c square means 1 by 3, c square means 1 by 3 by 1 by 2. This is the c na, c square na. Then the plus or minus 1 by 6, that means 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. This is okay, 1 by 6 b square. Then b is equal to plus or minus, not plus or minus here, direct c square will take plus or minus 1 by root 6. Okay, b and c value put this in this equation. bc values, this bc values put this equation means a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 1. A square plus b square, what is the b square value? Already we find b square is equal to 1 by 6 plus c square is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 1. Then a square plus, that means LCM 6, 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. A square is equal, a square plus 3 by 6 is equal to 1. A square plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. A square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. A square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, 1 minus 1 by 2. Then a square is equal to 1 by 2. అంతే కదా, 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2నే కదా, ఒకట్లంగా హాఫ్ పోతే హాఫే కదా. ఓకే, దెన్ a is equal to plus or minus 1 by root. A is equal to this, b is equal to this, c is equal to this. This is the orthogonal matrix finding. How to, only one thing you have to remember, a into a transpose is equal to I. Prove means you have to multiply and prove. If you determine the any values means compare this and this, compare both. ఇది దీనికి కంపేర్ చేస్తే మనకు వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, నెక్స్ట్ we go for what is the unitary matrix, UM. వాట్ ఈస్ యూనిటరీ మ్యాట్రిక్స్? యూనిటరీ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఏంటిది అంటే ఏ ఇంటూ సేమ్ A into A conjugative transpose is I. That if you find conjugative means it is a complex number. A is, if you already in first class only I am telling first class లో చెప్పిన A is equal to A plus IB అయితే A బార్ ఏమవుతుంది, A minus ఐబి అవుతుంది. ఓన్లీ ఐ మాత్రమే సైన్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, ఐకి మాత్రం వేరే ఎక్కడ చేంజ్ అవ్వదు. దట్ ఓన్లీ సేమ్ ఆర్డినరీ ఆర్థోగోనల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అంటే ఏ ఇంటూ ఏ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఐ. యూనిటరీ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అంటే ఏ ఇంటూ ఏ కాంజుగేటివ్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ ఐ. వై? బికాజ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్. Okay, up to that we have to remember. That's it. Then we want two problems, we will see what is there. Okay, one problem we are going to see. What is that? Some question is given. A is equal to half into 1 plus I minus 1 plus I, 1 plus I, 1 minus I. Prove unitary matrix. Okay, in this only one thing we have to remember, how to find the a bar. Okay, if you take this element 1 plus I is equal to, how to bar take? If you bar take 1 minus I. Next minus 1 plus I, you have to write bar minus 1 minus I. Then next this one 1 plus I, you have to write this one 1 minus I. Next this one 1 minus I have to write. Explain, tell, చెప్పండి ఎలా రాస్తాం దీన్ని, ఇది ఒకటని చెప్పండి. దట్ ఈస్ 1 plus I minus I plus I. దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే, యూ రైట్ I conjugate is equal to half into this one లేనా 1 minus I minus 1 minus I, this one 1 minus I, this is 1 plus I. We know that unitary matrix అంటే A conjugate whole transpose into A is equal to I. Then A is went what? Half into 1 plus I minus 1 plus I, 1 plus I, 1 minus I. Then దీనికి ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఎట్లా ట్రాన్స్పోజు, ఇది 1/2 ఇక్కడ ఉంది. దీని ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ అంటే ఇదే కదా, ఫస్ట్ ఇది తీసుకోవాలి కదా 1 minus I minus 1 minus I. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది తీసుకోవాలి కదా 1 minus I 1 plus I. ఓకే, ఇదే అంతే కదా, ఫస్ట్ ఇది రాసినాము, సెకండ్ ఇది రాసినాము. ఇక్కడ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వద్దు, మీకు చాలాసార్లు రాసినాం ట్రాన్స్పోజ్. ఓకే, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వద్దు, ఫట్ట రాసి అంటే 1/2 plus 1/2 1/4. దెన్ మల్టిప్లేషన్ ఎట్లా, ఇది ఇంటూ ఇది. ఓకే, లేకపోతే అవర్ ఓన్ మెథడ్ ఉంది కదా, A plus I ఇంటూ దిస్ ఓన్లీనా. యూ రైట్ 1 minus 1 plus I. Okay, this I am writing. So again I am writing na 1 plus I same minus 1 plus I. ఇక్కడ ఇదే కదా రాయాల్సింది, ఏంటిది 1 plus I, ఇదే కదా 1 minus I. ఇక్కడ 1 plus I, దిసే కదా 1 minus I. ఇదే ఇక్కడ రాసిన, ఇది ఇక్కడ రాసిన, ఇది ఇక్కడ రాసినాం, ఇది ఇక్కడ రాసినాం, రెండు మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కాబట్టి. నెక్స్ట్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఏం చేయాలా మనము, దీనికి మల్టిప్లై ఇంటూ ఇది కదా 1 minus I, దీనికి మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఇంటూ ఇది కదా minus 1 minus I. ఇక్కడ సేమ్ 1 minus I minus 1 minus I బోత్. ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఫస్ట్ ఇది కాబట్టి దీనికి 1 minus I minus 1 minus I. తప్పు, ఇది ఇక్కడ అది minus 1 minus I. ఇక్కడ ఇది కదా 1 minus I, ఇక్కడ 1 plus I. ఏం లేదురా బాపు, వెరీ సింపుల్ నాన్న. ఇది మల్టిప్లికేషన్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ రాసినాము, ఇక్కడ రాసినాము. ఫస్ట్ దానికి చెప్పా, ఫస్ట్ దానికి అంతే కదా, ఫస్ట్ దానికి ఇది రాసినామా, ఇది రాసినామా, ఫస్ట్ ఇది రాసినామా, లాస్ట్ దానికి లాస్ట్ ఇది లాస్ట్ ఇదే కదా, ఫస్ట్ దానికి ఫస్టే కదా, అంతే. దట్స్ ఇట్, అయిపోయింది. ఏముంది ఇంకా 1/4 ఇంటూ దీని మల్టిప్లికేషన్. ఇక్కడ ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఎట్లా మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి, A plus IB ఇంటూ C plus ID ఉంటే ఏమొస్తుందంటే A ఇంటూ AC ప్లస్ A ఇంటూ D ఇంటూ I ప్లస్ I ఇంటూ B ఇంటూ C IBC ప్లస్ దిస్ అండ్ దిస్ నా ఐ స్క్వేర్ బీడీ. ఓకే, ఏసీ ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ ఐ కామన్ తీస్తే ఏడి ప్లస్ దిస్ ఏసీ కదా, ఏడి ప్లస్ బీసీ ప్లస్ ఐ స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఏంటంటే -1 అనమాట. ఐ స్క్వేర్ -1 మైనస్ బీడీ. లైక్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్. ఇఫ్ దిస్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది అంటే 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 1 + 1 + -1 ఇక్కడ -1 అంటే ఐ స్క్వేర్ వస్తుందని అర్థం బాబు. -1 ఎట్టు వచ్చింది అనుకోకండి. 1 + 1 + -1 -1 1 + 1 + 1 + 1. ఓకే, దెన్ 1/4 into 4 0 0 4. Then if you 4 gets cancelled, 1 0 0 1. That is the I matrix. Okay, that means A into A conjugate whole transpose is equal to I అయింది. Then A is what is unitary matrix. Up to here we complete the all matrices. Once we see the all whatever we learn, we will see the up to here. After that we go for the rank of the matrix, echelon and normal form. Some finding the inverse Jordan, Gauss Jordan method, Gauss elementary method, some like that methods will be there. We will see later classes. But we are up to what is the revision. Symmetric means A is equal to A transpose. Skew symmetry is equal to A is equal to minus A transpose. Okay. Hemission means A is equal to A conjugate whole transpose. Skew hemission means skew hemission ఏంటి చెప్పండి. A is equal to minus A conjugate to transpose this plus. ఓకేనా? అదే స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ని ఎట్లా రాస్తాము? స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అదే ఎనీ స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ దాని సిమెట్రిక్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు A ప్లస్ A ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఈజ్ ఎ సిమెట్రిక్. స్క్యూ సిమెట్రిక్ అంటే A మైనస్ A ట్రాన్స్పోజ్. సేమ్ హమిషన్ అంటే ఎనీ స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఏ హమిషన్ ఎట్లా రాస్తాము? A ప్లస్ A కాంజుగేట్ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్. స్క్యూ హమిషన్ అయితే A